Right lads, just a quick video of how you can put one of these universal lip spoilers onto your motor. Pretty straightforward lads, literally cut it to the length that you need. And you get these two little end pieces which you want to just finish wherever you want, but I'm just finishing mine there. And obviously here I've had to cut out for the rear washer, so it was rubbing and knocking it, so just keep that in mind lads if you're going to be doing it on this car. Same again, just cut to the end on the other side. I'm just going to blast over the car with a hairdryer just to get a bit of heat on the metal. I'm going to do the same to the adhesive, get some heat on it. Right lads, once it's all nice and heated up, I'm just going to start the sticky off. Start from this side. So all you want to do is just pull the sticker off as you go, sticking it down. It's as easy as that, so easy job lads. So cheers, thanks for watching, hope this helps somebody out. Cheers guys.